everyone, so today we're going to be playing Battle Cats. It's my second favorite game, so let's begin. I am doing it on BlueStacks, so yeah. I'm doing it on a different account because I don't want to link accounts, it's kind of annoying, so let's begin. Okay. Attack! Go, 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 go. You can do it. Kill the dog. Kill the dog. Let's send out another one. We shall defeat Korea. Attack! Another one. Let's find that. No. More. Another. Yes. Attack. And I'm not sure if it's long enough. There. I'm not gonna launch it because that'd be useless, but what? I thought we were hitting the base. Oh, now we are. Yeah. Attack. Okay. So, as they're destroying the base, and about now they're going to. Hooray! Superior kimchi. Okay. I just got a whole bunch of stuff. Okay. All this. 30 cat food. This cat too, but it's not the best. I beat Korea. Now. Okay. Now, first thing. Wild. No. How do I get out? I don't know how to exit this. How do I go back? Oh, there. Okay. So I did it. First thing, Wildcat slots. Guaranteed 777. No, actually, 1,000. Because I got 10, 10, 10. Guaranteed. Hooray. Bonus spin. And give me it. And I get. Yay! I think there's like 200 from this. 122? Oh, 102. Okay, I got 132. I'm going to back out. Yes, main menu. Oh man. Okay. Okay. Upgrade. New cat. Yay! Tank cat. Now, first thing, efficiency. Now, cat. Upgrade him once. Yay. Okay, let's see what I get done. Level up. Okay. This. Mongolia. There. Okay. Let's do this. Mongolia. Now. Okay. Attack! Go! You can get him! Now I'm gonna send out a tank cat. And I actually have a tank cat plushie with me right now. So, yeah. Attack! Now, I'm not sure if I want to do Battle Cats, like, for a long time, because also the, inquiry code, you can, like, take my account if, with that, but don't, like and subscribe if you want, comment, anything, I guess, and, Attack the base. Oh no, snake. They are attacking. Ah, attack. Right, out of range. Yeah, attack. And there we go. I'm going to upgrade my cat. Yeah, upgrade my cat. I'm going to upgrade you. No, too much. No. I was going to use my cat food for that, but also that's takes too much cat food. So, yeah. I could get a cat from this, but it's not American. Let's be thankful. Okay, yeah, he says facts about the game. Now let's attack China. Okay, a bit longer. That's the Great Wall of China. Okay. I'm gonna get you. Now you. Okay, go. Look at my little cat going. I like my little cat. Attack! Yeah, now come back. Okay, let's take this. Now this. Okay, so when he gets there, he'll protect these guys. And, okay. Protect. Yeah, he's taking up all the damage right now. So, yay. I'm really excited about this. Yeah, attack. There. Send out you. Now you. Well, I'm headed through these really fast. I'm gonna send out you, but I think they'll be destroyed by then. Yeah, I have 2 tank cats. Wait, that's their name, right? Yeah, tank cat. I don't want to confuse it with its evolved form. So, yay. There's a new cat. Axe cat. Now, I'm not gonna upgrade him. But he's an alright cat. So, yeah. Now let's attack Thailand. Okay, Axe Cat. Yeah, let's send out only Axe Cat, except from a Tank Cat. Yeah. Okay. Let's upgrade so we can get our money faster. Alright, send out this. Now we wait. Protect our base. Protect our base. Actually, he might die by then. Now let's send out 2 tank cats. They're never gonna get through this. Or until we send out Axe. Okay, we're getting close. I could save up for that, but boom. Money! Attack the stick figures. Attack. Now he's good against red. Wait. There. Yeah, see, he's has the strong effect. He takes 1/8 more damage, and also 1/4 more damage versus red than like normal. So yeah, I'm not sure what's compared to. I think it's like then like to a trait list, which these are trait lists, like enemies that don't have a trait, which a red enemy would have the red trait. Oh, right, I have 2. Yeah, attack! Attack the base. Yeah! Attack the base. Yeah! Okay. That one's done. Now let's go to Colombia. Or Cambodia. Whoops. I think I said it right first. Okay. I think we could do the axe cat thing again. Or just send out that and then buy that. This little cat right here, or these two, these little best friend cats, let's say, are going to go through all of Cambodia. That's it. Let's buy that. I think we might need a third. Never mind. I need a third. Okay. Oh, yeah, I definitely need a third. Actually, Axe Cat is coming. Dun, 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 dun. You have an area attack, right? No, single. Attack. Yeah. No. Okay, there. I'm gonna... Now. Okay. I should have bought our Axe Cat. I ain't get one soon. There. Okay. Let's send out our tank cat after this. No? Yeah. Okay. Attack! Attack! Defeat Cambodia! I'm doing it! Yay! Okay. Attack! This video is going to, I got normal smiles of children. Yeah, see? This. Normal smiles of children. Yeah, this video is going to be like until Japan. Japan's like early on in here, so yeah, or in the chapter 1 of Empire of Cats, which is we're in chapter 1 of Empire of Cats. So yeah, go! You can do this. Attack even more. Okay, yay. Attack! Send out this now. Okay. I think we can do this. Let's send out another one. And now this. Okay. After this, we're going to save up for an Axe Cat. Axe Cat is very worth it because, we get it done faster. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and buy you. And you. You, and I'm not sure if I'll get enough money for this. Okay. And not that. There. Attack. Okay. I wonder if there's like a boss to this. I think we'll do pretty good if there is. I don't think there's one until Japan. Japan has a hippo for theirs. Yeah, really excited about this. Oh, there we go. 5,000 XP. Oh, I need to upgrade my cats. There's a new cat to upgrade. I believe this is Gross Cat. Yes, it is. I'm not going to upgrade Gross Cat. So, yeah. I'm just going to upgrade you. Never mind. You. Ew, I think your seats aren't worth it. You. Now. There. I don't have you yet. Shall I go to equip? Okay. Okay. Special cats. You. Okay. Start. Yes, here it is. Okay. Japan. Once I beat Japan, I'm going to end the video. So, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna send out what I'm going to do is I'm going to send out you, then you, or no, you right now. I'm going to save up to get you, and after I get you, I'm going to get you. So, tank, save up, ninja, then axe. Oh yeah, also, something that's cool is they both had the same thing. The only thing that changes is what they are. I mean, they're both cats, but like one's a ninja cat, one's not a ninja cat. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, gross cat. Yeah. Yeah, let's buy gross cat too. I'm gonna let all of the cats like come to me. I'm gonna keep on buying until I buy gross cat. Because gross cat is gross. Or not really, but you know. Let's probably send none. Okay. I think they're doing pretty well. You know what? I'm gonna send out you. Now this ninja cat is really good. Oh no! No! I need this like right now. Ah! Attack! Bam! That. Okay. We have ninja cat, axe cat, tank cat, 2 of those cats. We're good. Yeah, ninja cat attacks really fast. That's what's good about him. We need to like put all of our XP into tank cat, ninja cat. Then we're gonna get a cat after ninja cat. 2 cats after ninja cat. That's gonna be really good. No, our ninja cat is dead. So yeah, this is all. Oh, we have more coming. Yes, basically ninja cat, he can go through those really fast. Why would I do that? He can go through those really fast. So yeah, that is why he's good in this. Ah, no, attack. Oh, he dead. Okay, he dead. Oh no! Ah, it's going to attack us. Ah, I have a plan. My plan is to hide and send out ninja cats. Or actually axe cats. I bet gross cat could do something here. I wonder if come on, get into my range. Never mind. Do not get into my range. There. Okay, we have an axe cat. We're not doing good. You're doing really bad. Yeah. Well, at least the axe cat's doing something. Oh, he killed one thing. Oh, and he's dead. Okay. I'm going to lose. I'm not gonna lose. Never mind. Never mind about that, never mind. Axe cat can survive the hippo's attack, so we're gonna use him. Let's gather up cats. There. Now. There. No, our axe cat is already dead. He only got 1 attack in. Axe cat was such a nice cat. No. Why axe cat? Okay, I'm gonna send out ninja cat for this. Okay. Oh, yes, we killed something. Now, I think we're supposed to use a gross cat because he is behind the meat shields and not like in them. Yeah, see, Ninja Cat just got knocked back. Oh, that's good. He got attacks on the hippo. Oh, and he's dead. Okay, I need to get money for this. This is bad. No, I'm losing. But I shall win. Okay, this is so far not doing well. Oh, yes! Celebration. Send out Ninja Cat. Okay. I will never lose. Okay. And I might do like one thing after Japan. Like real quick after Japan. Because there's something you get for being Japan. So, yeah. There. Attack. Okay, yes, we have an X cat. Attack. Yeah, there. Gross cat costs too much. So, sorry, gross cat. Yay, I did it. Okay, there. Yes. Okay, that was a whole bunch. There it is. A ticket. There it is. The legendary legend ticket. Oh. Okay. I got 2 of those. Not gonna buy that. Not gonna get that. Not gonna get that. Not gonna get that. No. No. Okay. This is a lot. Okay. You. No. You. Okay. Actually, you gotta have, no, I don't care about you. There. There's one cat that I care about. What is it? It's none of these. It's this. This cat. Metal cat. Metal cat or gold cat. Those two are kind of good. I'm gonna do these so we can maybe get something. That is... I'll take it. Okay, sure. Next one. Let's see what I get. And I won't need you for a while. Okay. Now, this. Yes, I want to do this. Okay, I better get like metal cat, please. Metal or gold cat. You are good. I like you. Yes! Okay, this cat is really good. I like this cat. You are a disappointment. I'm not even gonna take you. I'm just gonna exchange you for XP. I don't want no. I don't want this cat. Fine, I'll take it. It is a really rare cat. I'll take it. I will. What the heck are you? Oh, right. Useless. Exchange. Another uber rare? I don't want this. Fine, I'll take it. Yes. Okay, you're good. In your true form. Sure, I'll take you. No, not use now. Okay. Really good. Okay, this is good. Good. Only use for later. Or I'll need this for later. Yes! Okay, this cat is really good. This cat is really good. Okay. One more. And I got a disappointment. Okay. Storage. Okay, I want to take you right now. I want to take all of this. Use all. Yes. Yes. Okay. There. Cool. Okay, I have a whole bunch of cats. I got a super rare cat. I'm gonna upgrade you because you are like the best thing. There. Now, let's buy you. Or not buy you, but get or upgrade. Okay. I'm going to do these. Oh, wait, dang, I'm supposed to save these up until later. I'll take that. Okay. And, okay. Take it. Use all, because that's fast. No, that's faster. Okay. Now, I am going to collect this. Wow, a whole lot. 20, 20, and 20. Wow. Now, this. Okay, there's a whole bunch. I'm going to go for these first. Okay, I get 5 cat food for all of these. You know what? I don't really want y'all to go through this because this is a lot of cats that I have to go through. I'm still going to because it doesn't take long. So yeah. I'm going to do this right now. Definitely want this. Yeah, see? This is super good because red, it just does a whole bunch of damage. That's like the one thing. And then this paired with this is really good. Wait, are you guaranteed? It's might. I don't want you. Okay, I'm getting a whole bunch of really good against red. It's massive damage, strengthen, survive, immune to weaken, and area. Okay, that's a lot. And move on to this. I'll take you. Now you. Okay. And I don't think I got anything else. Okay, that will be all. Thank you for watching. That'll be it.